Everyone thinks the best-selling digital torque wrenches are automatically the best ones. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1. Actelco Arm 601-34 Combo Kit. Let's kick things off with the Actelco Arm 601-34 Heavy-Duty Digital Torque Wrench Combo Kit. Priced at $165, this kit caught my attention with its promise of precision and versatility. With 2 wrenches included, it's perfect if you need both a 3/8 and a half option for your projects. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This combo kit offers a range from 3.7 to 147.5 FTLBS, making it ideal for everything from light automotive work to heavy-duty tasks. The digital display shows real-time torque values, and it even beeps when you reach your desired torque, so you won't have to guess. Plus, Actelco is known for top-notch quality, with a 4.5-star rating from 718 reviews, which means others have trusted it too. Now, some people complained about needing to buy AAA batteries separately. Here's the thing though, the convenience and reliability this kit offers far outweighs that small inconvenience. If you're serious about your projects and want a dependable torque wrench, this one's worth it. This is perfect for you if you're a hobbyist or professional looking for a solid, reliable torque wrench combo. Skip this one if you're just doing occasional light tasks and don't need both sizes. For the price, you're getting quality and versatility that's hard to beat. Product number 2, Craftsman Digital Torque Wrench. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list is the Craftsman Digital Torque Wrench, priced at $154.17. This one really stood out to me because of its user-friendly features and solid build quality. This torque wrench covers a range of 50 to 250 FTLBS, making it suitable for various applications from automotive repairs to small engine tasks. It has a clear LED backlit screen that makes it easy to read the measurements, which is super helpful when you're working in tight spaces. Plus, it converts torque units at the touch of a button, so you can switch from FTLB to NM quickly. The 4.6-star rating from 540 reviews shows that many users appreciate its reliability. Now, some users have mentioned that it can be a bit bulky for smaller hands. But honestly, if you're doing serious work that requires a higher torque range, this is a minor issue. It's designed for comfort and durability, making it a worthwhile investment. This is perfect for you if you have a range of projects that require a higher torque capacity. Skip this one if you need something more compact or lightweight for very delicate tasks. Overall, it's a solid choice that offers great value. Product number 3, Suzum Digital Torque Wrench. Now, if the Craftsman's bulk bothered you, the Suzum Digital Torque Wrench might be your best bet. At just $65.58, this wrench is budget-friendly yet packed with features. It has a torque range from 4.9 to 99.6 FTLBS, and it boasts a plus or minus 2% accuracy, which means you can trust it for precise measurements. The audible and visual alarms are handy. They beep and light up when you reach your target torque, so you won't accidentally over-tighten. It's well rated at 4.6 stars from 491 reviews, so it's clearly resonating with users. Now, some buyers have mentioned that the manual could be clearer. I get it. No one likes struggling with instructions. But once you get the hang of it, this wrench is incredibly straightforward and saves you from costly mistakes. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast or a mechanic looking for an affordable yet reliable option. Skip this one if you only need a wrench for very high torque applications. For the price, it's an incredible deal that doesn't compromise on quality. Product number 4, Eurobor Digital Torque Wrench. Next up is the Eurobor March 8th Drive Digital Torque Wrench, retailing at $49.99. This caught my eye due to its outstanding accuracy and low price. Offering a torque range of 0.66 to 44.29 FTLBS, this wrench provides a plus or minus 1% accuracy, ensuring you get it right every time. It has both peak and track modes, so whether you're setting a target or need real-time measurements, it's got you covered. Plus, it can switch between 4 measurement units, making it versatile for various applications. The 4.5-star rating from 305 reviews suggests it's impressing many users as well. Some users noted that the handle could feel a bit small. I'll be real with you. If you have larger hands, it might not be the most comfortable for long use. But for occasional tasks, this shouldn't deter you from a great value purchase. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable digital torque wrench that gets the basics right. Skip this one if you need something more heavy-duty or for larger bolts. Honestly, it's a great option for home mechanics or DIY projects. Product number 5. ActElco Arm 601-3 Digital Torque Wrench. Finally, we have the ActElco Arm 601-3 Digital Torque Wrench, priced at $88.99. This one really impressed me with its advanced technology and ease of use. With a torque range of 2 to 37 ftLbs, it features an easy-to-read LCD display that shows readings in different units. The buzzer and LED alerts are a great touch, notifying you when you've reached the required torque, which is essential for avoiding over-tightening. It's highly rated at 4.4 stars from 1,800 reviews, which speaks volumes about its reliability and user satisfaction. However, some users found the torque settings could be a bit tricky to adjust. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it's an incredibly reliable tool that ensures your work is done right. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a straightforward, reliable torque wrench for light to moderate tasks. Skip this one if you need something with a wider torque range for heavy-duty work. For the price, it offers great quality and reliability. So there you have it. From the versatile ActElco Arm 601-34 combo kit to the budget-friendly Eurobore, each of these digital torque wrenches caters to different needs. Whether you're a professional mechanic or a DIY enthusiast, there's something here for everyone. Choose wisely based on your projects, and you can't go wrong.